Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look. First I started off with some clean makeup and I'm going in with this NYX Ultimate palette and I'm blending this pinky purplish shade into my crease. I'm using this as a transition shade and I'm really working that in. I don't want any lines of demarcation. Now I'm going in with a darker color and I'm deepening up my crease even more. I'm also putting that all over my eyelid. If you guys haven't done so already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you like this video. It really does help to boost my channel when you like my videos. Now I'm going in with that same color and I'm putting it on my bottom lash line. I'm going to highlight my brow bone, my nose, and my cheekbones with the MAC highlighter in Oh Darling. Now I'm going to do a cat wing with this Wet n Wild H2O proof black eyeliner. So the lashes that I'm going to use today are 11 lashes. They were kind enough to send me 3 pairs of lashes and this is one of them. Now I'm going to line my lips with this NYX lip liner. I'm going to apply this pink lipstick. I have no idea what color it is. Now let's get to the fun part. I'm going to unravel a cotton ball, split it in half, and that's what we're going to be using to build our scab today. I'm going to go in with some liquid latex that I got from the Halloween store, and I'm going to put it in the area that I want my scab to be on. I'm going to lay a piece of the cotton on that liquid latex just to help build the scab. Now I'm going to soak the scab in some liquid latex. This is literally the hardest part because the cotton literally lifts with the latex, but once you get the cotton soaked enough, it will stay put. Now I'm using a pair of tweezers to lift the cotton so it's not flush onto my skin. I kind of want to make sure it's a little lifted so it could look like my skin is literally cut. I just added a little bit more cotton just to build it a little more, and I'm continuing to soak it in liquid latex. Now I'm lifting the inner edges of the cotton and I'm going over it with some foundation just to blend it in with my skin. And again, going in with that tweezer, I'm lifting the inner portion of the scab. If you guys are allergic to latex, please do not use this liquid latex, guys. You will have a reaction. Test it on your inner arm before you try it, because if you don't know that you're allergic and you are, the last place you want to have a reaction is on your face. Now I'm going in with some red eyeshadow from that same NYX palette and I'm creating a little bit of irritation around the scab area. So I'm just blending in some redness around it, pretty much making it look like an actual irritation because like any human being, if you get cut, there will be some redness. And I'm going in with some fake blood that I also got from the Halloween store. I'm literally just randomly placing it around the edges of the scab. A good thing to know, the deeper you get into a scab or a cut, the darker the blood has to be. So I went in with a little bit of black paint and I mixed it with the blood just so it could look a little real. And there you have it, guys. I'm gonna pop on some hoops and we're going to put some blood on this lollipop, stick it into the scab, and you are good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you end up recreating this look, please make sure you tag me on my IG so I can repost it.
Amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Look at it. Call me your highness, cause she come for my highest. Basic bunnies behind us, they bet.